Hello students, today I'm going to start my second lecture with the same topic, Asia, the largest continent, political division. This is your lesson number 5 of your geography book. The objectives of lesson are introduction, location and extent of Asia, the impact of latitudinal extent and political division. Objectives of the day are discussion of coastline and islands of Asia through map with the reading. Today we are going to give focus on coastline and islands of Asia. Before we start, let's recall what we have done till now. So far, we have discussed the introduction of Asia through map as a big picture. We have discussed what are continents, how many continents are there, which is the largest and smallest continent of the world. With that, we have discussed the latitudinal extent of Asia, the longitudinal extent of Asia, the north-south extent of Asia, the east-west extent of Asia, what is the importance of international dateline, what separate Asia from Europe, what separate Asia from Africa and from North America and surrounding water bodies. Let's start with today's topic. Today we are going to start from new terms. Number 1 is coastline. Coastline, the edge or the area where land meets the sea or ocean. Sea, a smaller part of an ocean, example Red Sea. Bay, a broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inward, example Bay of Bengal. Look at the map of Asia. This is Bay of Bengal. Next term is Gulf, a part of the sea that is almost surrounded by land, example Persian Gulf. Look at here. We are having a Persian Gulf. Then we are having Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Cambet. Earthquake, violent movement of Earth's surface due to the seismic wave. Volcanoes, a vent in the Earth's crust through which lava, rock fragments, and gases are ejected. And the last, archipelago, groups of islands. This part comes in the archipelagos. So let's start with a very interesting topic, Asia. Today we are going to give focus on coastline and the islands. Students, take out your book, open your page number 57. We are going to start from the coastline. The coastline of Asia is relatively smooth with few indentation notch on the edges and wide openings. But Asia has the longest coastline. It is about 62,800 km in the length. If we are looking on the map, we come to know that Asia is a peninsula country. This is the advantage that it is having a longest coastline. We start from Laptev Sea till Gulf of Aden. And the length of this coastline is 62,800 km. Come to the reading part. The Sea of Okhotsk and the Bering Sea lie in the northeast, while China Sea, the Yellow Sea, and the Sea of Japan lie along the east coast. Look at here. Sea of Okhotsk and Bering Sea towards the northeast part of Asia. Towards the east coast, Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, China Sea, East China Sea and South China Sea. Now turn your page. Come to the page number 58. We are going to start from this part. In the south, there are two big bays, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Look at again on the map. In the south, we are having two bays, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea extends into Asia as the Persian Gulf. Arabian Sea extends to the Asia as the Persian Gulf. And the Gulf of Aden continues northwards as the Red Sea. This is Gulf of Aden, which continue towards the north in the Red Sea. Islands. There are mainly three archipelagos. Look at here, three archipelagos in Asia. We are having three archipelagos in Asia that are formed by thousands of islands, namely Japan, Philippines, and Indonesia. There are 6,872 islands in Japan. If we are talking about Japan only, we are having 6,872 islands. From north to south, there are four large islands. Namely Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Look at here: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. These are the important four islands in Japan. Approximately 6,872 islands are there in Japan, and out of that, we are having four important islands: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Please underline and mark side by side on the map. Out of that, Honshu is the largest and most populous island in Japan, seventh largest island in the world. Honshu is the seventh largest, most populous, and the largest island in the Japan. It is famous for tea, silk, fruits, vegetable, rice, grains, and cotton. After that, Hokkaido is the second largest island in Japan, and Kyushu is the third largest island in Japan, which is nearest to the Asian continent. Come to the next part. The Philippines comprises more than 7,000 islands. Come to the Philippines. Here we are having more than 7,000 islands. There are only two large islands, namely Mindanao and Luzon. Look at here and mark Mindanao and Luzon. Philippines is made up of islands. This full Philippines is made up of islands, and it is the second largest archipelago in the world. The Philippines is known for having an abundance of beautiful beaches and delicious fruits. Next is Indonesia. Indonesia comprising more than 18,000 islands. However, Sumatra, Java, Kalimantan, and Sulawesi, former named Celebes, are the biggest islands. Look at here, this is Indonesian islands. Sumatra, Java, Borneo, Celebes. Celebes, it is a former name of Sulawesi. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. It consists of 5 major islands and about 30 smaller groups. They all are smaller groups here. There are total number of 17,508 islands, of which about 6,000 are inhabited. Indonesia is famous for being the fourth most populated country in the world after China, India, and USA. It is a geological wonderland. Indonesia is famous as a geological wonderland. All these three countries, that is Japan, the Philippines, and Indonesia, experience earthquake and violent explosion every now and again due to the presence of active volcanoes. Students, this is the archipelago, and the archipelago is a part of Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ring of Fire, these all three archipelago is a part of Pacific Ring of Fire. What is Pacific Ring of Fire? That area which is famous for earthquakes and volcanic eruption. In the Indian Ocean, there are comparatively small archipelago. In the Arabian Sea, there are two low coral islands, namely the Lakshadweep and the Maldives. Look at here. Indian Ocean, if we are talking about the Bay of Bengal, here we are having Andaman and Nicobar Island. And in Arabian Sea, we are having two coral based islands, that is Lakshadweep and Maldives. Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar are the union territories of India. Also, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the Indian archipelago in the Bay of Bengal. There are roughly 300 islands, are known for their palm-lined white sand beaches, mangrove and tropical rainforest. And if we are talking about the Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep is one of the most spectacular tropical island system in the world. It has 36 islands out of which 10 are inhabited. We have done this. Come to the last phase of the reading. Sri Lanka, former name Ceylon, is the largest island country of the coast of the southeast coast of India. Bahrain is an island in the Persian Gulf off the coast of Arabian Peninsula. Look at here. This is Sri Lanka, off coast in the India. This is a island country, and here we are having in the Persian Gulf, we are having a Bahrain island. So with that we have complete our locational point. We have discussed latitudinal, longitudinal, size, surrounding water bodies, coastline of Asia, and island groups. Hope you understand. Please revise all the points and mark side by side on your political or physical map of Asia. Have a good day.